I think I messed up. You won't believe these 5 unbelievable stone facts. Fact 1. Some stones are alive. Well, kinda. In Romania there are trovants, rocks that grow after rain. Fact 2. The oldest known stone tools are 3.3 million years old. That's older than the Homo sapiens species. Fact 3. Ever heard of a living stone? Lithops, a type of succulent, look like stones to avoid being eaten by animals. Fact 4. There's a stone in New Zealand that's so rare it can only be found on one beach. It's called the Moeraki Boulder. Fact 5. The Great Pyramid of Giza's stones weigh as much as 16 elephants each. Seriously, how did they do it? If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for more awesome science facts.